Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to download TikTok videos without having watermark. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your TikTok application. Once it will be open, look for that video which you want to download, and once you find, tap on the option share, which is on the right bottom. And here you can find the option copy link. Just tap on it. Now the link has been copied. Close the TikTok application and open your mobile phone browser. And in the search bar, search for TikTok video downloader. Using this website, you can download TikTok videos without having watermark. You can see the PNG of this website. Tap on it and paste the link which you copied from TikTok. And tap on the option download. And here you can find the option without watermark and without watermark HD. It's up to you. Just for showing you, I will tap on this option without watermark. Now the video has been downloaded and I will open it. And here you can see it's the same video, but it does not have any watermark. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.